Hi, and welcome to the Disinfectant Cleaner by Aqua ChemPacs. Let's make this easy. Here's how our innovative cleaning system works. You simply take a ChemPac, drop it into your bottle, add water, and in 1 minute it dissolves and you're ready to go. It's that simple. Professionals and homeowners all over the country are switching to this new system for cleaning solutions because it's that easy. There's no mixing, no mess, and it's precisely portioned and consistent. It saves money in shipping because you're not transporting water and bulky packaging across the country. This product is so compact, you can keep your storage organized and secure. The Disinfectant Cleaner is great for cleaning any area of your business, all the way from break rooms and restrooms to storefronts and garden centers. Just spray on and wipe off for a professional cleaning every time. What's even more impressive is our Disinfectant Cleaner kills 99% of germs. At Aqua ChemPacs, we strive to be the innovators of the next generation of cleaning technology.